You would have heard phrases like your vibe attracts your tribe. Things like I'm vibrating a little low today. What exactly does this mean? Come, let's dive into this topic of vibration. And for those of you seeing me for the first time, you may go to the description box below and read more about me. As per science, the continuous back and forth motion of particles and objects is called a vibration, and the number of vibrations that these particles complete in one cycle is called frequency. Not just particles and objects, but people and the words spoken by people to vibrate at a certain frequency. Come, let's understand what this means in our day-to-day lives. Each word, spoken or not spoken, carries a certain frequency around it. And this frequency affects that person and everyone around him or her. Have you ever noticed some people are very easy breezy? They are happy, they vibrate at a very high frequency, and therefore, when you are around such people, it makes you happy. While on the other hand, you will come across some people when you spend little time around them, there is a sense of heaviness. Suddenly you start feeling not very good about things around you. You feel that things are just bogging you down and stuff like that. So this is your experience of low energy frequency. We could say that vibration is our overall state of being. Of course, not everybody vibrates at the same level. Sometimes there is a dip, sometimes there is a rise. What we need to do is we need to be aware of these dips and rises, and we need to try and operate at a certain higher vibration. Now, when we say higher vibration, there is a sense of expansiveness in the higher vibration. Feelings like love, grace, abundance, spiritual growth, learning, all of these have a certain expansive energy to it, and and belong to the higher vibrational section. Whereas things like lack, fear, jealousy, all of these shows constrictive energy, and these feelings are of lower vibration. Now, how is all this scientific information helping us? So, like I just mentioned, we need to cultivate this habit of being aware of our feelings, being aware of what affects us how, and accordingly protect ourselves. Let us consciously try and vibrate at higher frequency. Let us consciously try and be in abundance, in prosperity, in the feeling of being trusted. Let us try and keep ourselves, maintain our vibrations at the higher frequency, and let us focus on positive things in life. Let us accept security. Let us accept abundance. Let us accept knowledge, love, grace. And if and when there is a dip, let us timely make use of certain tools and go back to our usual higher frequency self. And how do we do that? One of the ways or one of the tools to do that is by using affirmations. I will read out a few affirmations for you. These affirmations will help you keep in the higher vibrational frequency energy, and they are as follows. I accept, respect, and approve of myself exactly the way I am. I repeat, I accept, respect, and approve of myself exactly the way I am. I trust, I am successful in all my endeavors. I trust I am successful in all my endeavors. Miracles is a natural part of my life. Miracles is a natural part of my life. I expect the best, and the best comes to me with ease. I expect the best, and the best comes to me with ease. You know what you have to do with these affirmations, right? Work with them, write, sing, chant. Do so a few hundred times a day. Do it for a few days at a stretch. Come back and comment to me as to how things have shifted for you. See you soon in my next one.